Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm in Orlando. I'm sitting outside of this 5-bed, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage home. It has 2 doors at the entry, so very convenient for someone that may have a mother-in-law living with them or older children. So let's go inside and have a look. This is actually one of Orlando's first NextGen homes, meaning you can have multiple generations living under one roof, still having privacy and space. So not only do you have your front door, you also have a separate door leading you into your private suite. This floor plan gives you close to 4,000 square feet of living space, and depending on which elevation you choose, ranging from 472-100 to 487-100. Most of the time when you walk into a model home, you'll see lots of upgrades that have been added. That's not the case in this particular home. One of the upgrades in this model was to expand the tile flooring throughout. So usually you'll have it in your kitchen and all of your wet areas, but they did choose to upgrade it throughout the first floor. So this would be your NextGen family room. It's nice and spacious. You have your own personal front door, a full-size kitchen and dining room. And then back here you have your full-size bathroom. You have a walk-in shower. All of the countertops in the bathrooms are quartz. And the bedroom has plenty of space for a king-size bed. It's a 14 by 14 bedroom, and then you have your closet as well. All of the bedrooms have the carpet. And as you go down the foyer in the main part of the home, you have your garage, and then to the left you have your powder room. This community is just a short drive from downtown Orlando, so you're close to all of the theme parks and attractions. The floor plan's very open. You have your family room and dining room and kitchen. Some of your amenities include a clubhouse with a resort-style pool and hot tub. There's a playground, a community garden, sports courts and fitness center, and then also walking trails. You can see this island can sit many people. The decorative backsplash is one of your standard features included. You have a nice big pantry to store all of your food, and GE Slate appliances. And now we'll head upstairs to see the second floor and all of the bedrooms. You have a nice big loft at the top of the stairs. It could be a playroom if you have kids, game room, anything you want it to be. This is your first bedroom. And then across the way you have your other 2 bedrooms, divided by a full-size bathroom. This is a solar community. You have Wi-Fi, certified smart homes. This is your second bedroom. The full-size bathroom. And then your third bedroom. The home comes pre-wired for fans in all of the bedrooms. And you have your laundry room on the second floor. And last, your master bedroom and bathroom. I would love to give you a tour of this community. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.